Namaste children, welcome back to the next part of the video. Using the diagonal properties, construct a rhombus whose diagonals are of length 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So by using the property, we know very well that rhombus, here the angle in the previous part, it has mentioned the angle 140 degree for parallelogram. But in rhombus, we always consider here the angle that is 90 degree. And we know the this one property of rhombus that the diagonal bisect each other. So let us see if we first start with the 4 centimeter, right? So now I will take a 4 centimeter here now, and the half of the 4, the midpoint, I will put the point here, that is 2 centimeter here, right? Now by using this protractor, again protractor, keep it here at the midpoint of that 2 centimeter and mark 90 degree. So 90 degree will be here, right? So 90 degree will be here, so where we can keep it here again and draw 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter, half of that, so 2.5. Okay children, the point has went up to the question here, so I'm keeping here. Then draw, yeah, 2.5 from here, and okay, so this is the angle of 90 degree here. Then join this part. Okay, now join it. One second. Next, join it. Okay, now we got the proper. So now 4 centimeter this one, and this length 5 centimeter, and here angle is how much? 90 degree. Okay, and here we can name it J K L M rhombus. Okay children, I hope you understood with this problem. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any doubts you can comment me. Thank you children for watching the video.